We decided to stay in Ocala for 5 days, choosing the modest hotel as our base to explore the many natural springs in this area. Ocala is surrounded by some of Florida's most beautiful freshwater springs, known for their crystal clear water and peaceful natural setting. Our goal for this trip is simple: slow down, enjoy the nature, and visit as many springs as possible. Follow us. See you. Today we are heading to Silver Spring, just about 6 miles from Ocala. Silver Spring State Park in Marion County, Florida, is famous for its crystal clear spring, historic glass-bottom boat tour, and the 5-mile Silver River, offering activities like kayaking, hiking, camping, and wildlife viewing. The park features serene garden, historic structure, and the Silver River Museum, providing a mix of natural beauty and historical exploration. Visitors can explore the spring from above on the boat or paddle the river, then self-it with the rental available. Glass bottom boat tour. See the underwater world of the spring, including fish, turtle, and manatee, on tour that have appearing since 1870.
At the end of the day, we enjoy dinner at our favorite place, Cracker Barrel, which was located right next to the World Hotel.